TypeError got multiple values for argument. I read the other threads that had to do with this error, and it seems that my problem has an interesting distinct difference than all the posts I read so far. Namely, all the other posts so far have the error in regards to either a user-created class or a built-in system resource. I am experiencing this problem when calling a function. I can't figure out what it could be for. Any ideas? Error message.
This happens when a keyword argument is specified that overwrites a positional argument. For example, let's imagine a function that draws a colored box. The function selects the color to be used and delegates the drawing of the box to another function, relaying all extra arguments. Then the call will fail because two values are assigned to color, yellow as positional and green as keyword. Painter.draw_box is supposed to accept the height and width arguments. This is easy to see in the example, but of course if one mixes up the arguments at call, it may not be easy to debug. Here, color is assigned 20, then arg sad smiley 30, and color is again assigned green.
I had the same problem that is really easy to make, but took me a while to see through. I had copied the declaration to where I was using it and had left the self argument there, but it took me ages to realize that. I had. But it should have been.
This also happens if you forget self-declaration inside class methods. Example: fails calling it like self.is_overlapping x1 equals 2, x2 equals 4, y1 equals 3, y2 equals 5. With TypeError is_overlapping, got multiple values for argument x1. Works.
I was brought here for a reason not explicitly mentioned in the answer so far, so to save others the trouble. The error also occurs if the function arguments have changed order, for the same reason as in the accepted answer, the positional arguments clash with the keyword arguments. In my case it was because the argument order of the pandas set_axis function changed between 0.20 and 0.22. Using the commonly found examples for set_axis results in this confusing error, since when you call prior to 0.22, A, B, C is assigned to axis because it's the first argument, and then the positional argument provides multiple values.